welcome back. Today we're feeding, and yeah, I got my food right here, and the cows are in the way. Of course, they're always like that. I don't know what the moo-moos are doing. They're the cows right there. Of course, they're blocking the gate. Y'all want food or not? Okay, they're kind of dumb. I can't really blame them. Move, move, move. Hey, don't get in front of the buggy. Hey. Move, move. This is like a dog. Just get in front of the buggy. No mind of getting ran over or anything. It's just, okay, like it's normal. I mean, apparently so. Oh, goodness. Okay, we are here. Okay. It's the cows. I'm kind of scared right now. Okay, I'm getting on the buggy. Okay. Yep. Time to go. Let's go. Oh, look at Rex. Oh, he's eating the... Oh, goodness. Well, moo-moos are done. Oh, look at Ellie on the other side of the fence. She wants in. That's so sad. Alright, coming up on the hill. Like I said, it's kind of hard to drive and hold this thing at the same time, so I will see you in a little bit. Hold on. Whoa, okay. Anyways, we're here. We got Mexico right there. We got the goats. Oh my gosh. I'm a rough driver. Oh, hi y'all. Hi y'all. It's like I'm running in the savannah. Whoa, 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 whoa. I almost just ran into the tire. Good Lord. Move. Should I just feed? I gotta feed them. They are so... Like, they're gonna get themselves ran over because, like, food. There they go, fighting all over the food again. My goodness. Time to feed the chickens. The chickens. I love feeding the chickens. How are you? I want you. I want you. Hey, hi. Hey, come here. Roosters aren't really good with me. Don't blame them. I chase them every day, pretty much. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Y'all good on feed? Yep. What is wrong with you? My gosh. Okay. Okay, it's good. All we need to get now is the eggs. They are so... I'm trying to get my tripod out and they're just... Oh, shoot, there's a hen in there. Y'all see that? Here, watch. Hi, girl. That's what I thought. And now, time to get the eggs. Oh, she's so nice. I love her. Okay. So, 1 little egg, 2 little egg, 3 little chicken eggs, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little, actually 5. Okay. Little 6 little chicken legs. No more, no more. I'm just checking the other ones. No, and then no. Why is this rooster so... Like, bark, 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 bark. It's just being so obnoxious today. I hope I don't drop that. Holding a phone and holding eggs is kind of risky. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Just gonna make sure not to drop these. If I drop one, I'll have footage of it. Okay. Chickens. Hi, y'all. I'm getting distracted. I gotta put the eggs up. Guys, this might be hard. So I'm putting you down. I don't know if you can see me. You can see it, can't you? Two, and then a four, and then a six little eggs. Meanwhile, the chickens, they are fighting. Yep. Hi, Rexy. Hi, boy. Hi. Hi. Alright, well. Short little video, but I hope you enjoyed at least. And bye. Man out. Hey.